Yeah, thank you for the speech. My name is Mr. Buirakisi Samuel. Yeah, I'm living here in Malawi. Let me say I'm a father. I'm not a single now. You're not a single that's starting to see me. No, I'm not a single. I'm a father. Yeah, now I'm a father. As I said, I'm a father. I'm not a single. Yeah. Yeah, let me talk. I have a topic which talk about money. I thank you. Yeah, yeah. Let me before going very far, I want to greet my brother there. I want to greet my father there. I want to greet my a young brother, also my older sister there, and my older father and my great father there. Thank you. I greet them. Where you are, say hi, hi, hi. Yeah, now I'm great to be here in front of you to present this topic in front of you. You see, I'm a very great. To be among us of the what of my parent, it's my pleasure for me. Pleasure for me, and I am very happy for that. I want my topic is goes like that. No money, no money. I goes like that money. Okay, I want to show the importance of money. I want to show the importance of money and the disadvantages of money. Let me say the first things money is take a big place here in this world. Is it true or false? I'm telling you, money is taking the big place in this world. That is true. I'm telling you. When you have money, you have you in your heart. You have apart from that, you see you are going to see yourself. You are no one can touch you. No one can see you. No one can talk with you. No one can some people's there is some people like that. You see, there is some people like that. And then if you have money, I think that money, if you have money, is what is some people's is make some people up, is like that. But it's not like that. I know that money is very important in our lives, because when you have money, you are going to buy something this is the advantage of money. If you have money, let me tell you, if you have money, you are going to buy something in the market. Is it true or false? True. I mean, that is it true? When you say false, I think that you are going to be what you are not with me. You are not with me. But I think that if you have money, you cannot go to school if you cannot go to school without money. Is it true? And let me tell you, money is very important in what way? If you have money, you can go to market. If you have money, you can go to school. If you have money, you can buy something. And I have said you can go to school. That is true. If you have money, you can do everything which you want in this world. That is true. You cannot build the house without money. You cannot build the house without money. Can't do anything without money. Let me tell you, money is very important in our lives. Let me talk about the disadvantage. If you have money, maybe you can die speed. Speed. You can die early. Early. You can die early. If you have money, maybe some people they can start to see you. You are like you're not the same because you have money. Money. Let me say money in our life is very important, and another way is not very important because it's danger. Money is danger. Also, is not danger. Just imagine if you have money, some people start to show you the hands, to show you the what because you have money. if you have money, just be clever, be clever. Thank you for that. Thank you. Thank you.